I hope I don't see any snakes. Are you having fun?
Yes.
Okay, so I just got my things from the mail and I got a few things, so I'm gonna be opening them with you guys. I feel like such an influencer because I got so many things. And please excuse how ugly I look right now. I went to drop off Nathan y no tuve tiempo de peinarme, pero ahorita me voy a peinar. But this is what the current situation is looking like. First package is by Flower Official. They gave me a free mask. Oh, and by the way, I placed these orders, except for one of them is they sent it to me. But I believe that the rest I did place the order. Look at how cute, guys. Look at how high quality these earrings are, and they're so affordable. I really, really love them. She is a small business and I wanted to support, so I did decide to buy some. You guys know I love hoops. I love gold hoops. Gold jewelry is like my favorite thing ever. And I also bought some rings. Look at how cute these are, and they are like really nice gold. It's not like the ugly kind, and everything came packaged really, really cute. So actually I'm gonna wear some. Which one should I wear? I'm gonna wear these. You guys know I love hoops, and they're very like heavy. Like they do not feel cheap whatsoever. They're not hollow. They're actually very solid. It just makes a difference, doesn't it? Look at me and look at the side. It just makes you look cuter. I feel like it makes you look more put together. This second one is by Crystal Shop. So you guys have been asking, you guys know I'm into crystals. I've been burning sage and I've been burning Palo Santo for a while. I find it really, really soothing. I'm very, like, I feel like it does. I believe in it. I decided to order some from this group. I follow these new groups on Facebook about spirituality. And I saw this person selling Palo Santo and sage. So I decided to order some. She sent over a free gift. Let's see. They sent over a crystal, and they look very like, they look like they're real. Because there are fake crystals, guys. You have to go, that's why I like going to like an actual crystal shop where I know that they're gonna be original. This is the place where I bought it. If you guys are interested. I have Palo Santo here, but Sergio personally loves the sage. He prefers sage instead of Palo Santo. I don't really mind. I find them both really cleansing and they do what they're supposed to, so I don't really mind. But he's the one that was like, oh my god, we have to buy sage. Ooh. So I got more Palo Santo. This one actually looks so much different than this one. This one I got it, well, this one I got it at Sprouts, so I don't even know if it's real. And this one is from the Crystal Shop. I got sage with rose, I don't remember the names. One regular white sage, and then just some sage mixed with some yellow. I forgot what it was called. It was yellow something. I like to say things like remove no bad vibes allowed, no bad energy allowed, positive vibes only. And then I do that throughout the entire house. Leave it here. That way I can finish opening the things. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. I'm gonna use it actually for my skincare. Because you guys know that I heard it's better to put everything more cold, like on your face. So I'm gonna put it in my restroom, heladito in here, like if it was cold, like if it was on. That way I can have good skin. And she was selling it, it's used, obviously it was hers, but I was like, oh my god, yes, I want it. I have been wanting one, but they're like 70 bucks I think on Amazon. And she sold me that one for 20 bucks. Okay, so this package I do want to give a shout out to because you guys know I'm a big miedosa. I am like the biggest traumada person ever. You guys know that for the most part, the reason why I don't go out by myself is because I'm just scared of like something happening, especially when I have my kids. Like, I would rather just wait for Sergio to get home. That way we can go to the store together and I won't have to go by myself. But when I am out by myself, you guys, I'm so paranoid. And so this girl reached out to me. Her company name is Glitzy Armor Keys. Honestly, you guys, I had been thinking of getting one already. And when she sent me this, I was like, dude, that's meant to be already. I got it in purple because I love the marble design. So basically what it comes with is with like a noise detector. So if anything, so it's a flashlight and then a noise. I think it makes noise, right? And then a pepper spray. So this one you would have to like turn it and then spray and then lock. You can lock it open there para las Chévez. Y luego, I think this is, what is this? I don't know what this is. Like, and I believe this is a knife, pero no lo pusieron ahí por obvias razones. Isn't it so cute? Like, it's super stylish, and even though there are a lot of things on here, like, I feel like you never know. Sometimes you go to Walmart and you're a little scared, so you just grab it, you carry it in your hand. You're kind of watching people
to see if anyone's acting sus.
I think it's a great idea. The only thing that Sergio was like, just be careful with Bella because es bien ocurrente. So, okay, so this is a brush that you carry in your purse. Wow, this is actually a really good idea. Okay, see? I cannot imagine myself stabbing someone, but then again, in a way, I kind of can, because if someone's gonna be against me like that, then bah. But that's the end of our packaging. I'm gonna go get ready para no asustarlos and then continue on with this vlog. Buenos dias. So we're actually getting ready to go hiking. We're probably gonna go to a nearby mountain, go see a new one para conocer, just so we won't be going to the same one. But this is my outfit. I'm excited. I got a little ready because I haven't got ready this week and I felt weird. Como que me faltaba. Yeah, we're gonna be heading out because it's getting later and later. Okay guys, little update. We already walked like 2 miles, no? 2 miles.
0.75.
Ooh! I was gonna say we're gonna make 4 miles, yeah.
Nah, we probably did 3.
Yeah, so we're gonna go back right now. Ya, pa'l carro. Nomás que Nathan se enojó un poquito, mucho. Bien enojón. And I told Sergio que los niños tienen su carácter. I mean, I get mad, but I get over it really easily, and he doesn't. Like, Sergio does not get over it easily. I just kind of like laugh about it after a while. I don't get mad that much. Like, I don't make a big deal where I ruin people's days, you know? And Sergio does.
Me? You remind.
So,
Once you make me mad, that's it. I'm done for the day.
y Nathan, ¿dónde está Nathan? Okay. Nathan también es igual que Sergio. He's very dramatic. Yeah, you're very dramatic.
That's not dramatic.
That is dramatic.
Like, don't piss me off, and that's it.
It's like the movie scene where the person runs away and then another one is chasing them.
Yeah, Sergio's like that too. Very dramatic.
I'm getting mad. I just disconnect from the food. Alright, see you.
We saw a hare. It camouflages so good. We were trying to get it to move, but he ran away already. That's really cool that we got to see that. I hope I don't see any snakes. I'm not trying to see that because yo soy bien miedosa and hell no. Pero ya casi acabamos. If anyone has any recommendations for any hiking strollers, please leave them down below because this one sucks. Like, oh my god, there's so many rocks. And it has these type of wheels y ni así. So we need some stronger ones. We made it to the car. I don't know si me escuchen. Mejor les voy a hacer update adentro del carro because I don't even know if you guys can hear me with this camera. I don't know how the noise works. I don't know if it's good or not, but yeah, we're gonna be heading on to, I think, Sam's Club. And then probably stopping by to get something to eat because yo ya tengo mucha hambre. We made it to Sam's Club. You know you're getting old when you come to Sam's Club on Sundays, and it's fun.
If you want disposable plates, get paper, not styrofoam. And that's what Josie.
Because I told him that I'm getting a little bit tired of washing all these dishes. So I told him that I need help. A mí no me importa de cuáles porque no tengo que lavar. We just finished eating. So full. My trainer is literally como choking me because siento que comí de más. Sergio is in a food coma too. Look at him. Oh, he fell asleep. Sergio, that's why you get stomach aches, because you fall asleep after you eat. Good morning. So today is Sunday. Yesterday my camera ended up dying, so ya no les grabé. But today we did wake up and I was like, let's work. Okay guys, so ya acabamos de hacer exercise. The camera died again. I don't know why.
Because you didn't charge it, that's why.
Oh, I didn't charge it right. I did try to charge it, según yo, but the charger that we had is not an original one. So I don't know, this whole thing happened y no se cargó. So I ended up charging it with the original one y ya se cargó. I didn't get to record the workout, but right now we're gonna go to the swap meet. I need to get a crema for my acne because you guys know, el otra vez les dije que I was supposed to get the doctor's appointment. But just to see the doctor, guys, it was $75 for the consultation. Plus, the medicine is like 100 and something. I don't even know how much it would have been because right now we don't have insurance. So I was like, you know what? Me va a salir más barato to just go to the swap meet and get the, I just have to buy them the 2 medicines separately. Mom told me that they sold it for 20 bucks. Oh, and then in Mexico, in Tijuana, they have it for 2 bucks. So I do want to go to TJ next time we go to Cali. I'll probably tell my mom to like take a trip. No, I'm down to go driving, you know. We're gonna be on our way to North Las Vegas to go to the swap meet. Also, I told Sergio like we should go and support, you know, the way, aunque nosotros tampoco no tenemos tanto dinero, pero I feel like it's important to support our vendors, especially because, you know, they don't get stimulus checks, they don't get unemployment money, they don't literally just live off of whatever they make. Go
well, actually they do, they report it.
No, they don't. Ya llegamos al swap meet. La doña Bella quiere estar abrazada como siempre. Look, I should get that one for my grandpa.
What?
The Chivas one?
Okay.
Is it for girl?
Oh, para tu grandpa, ¿cuánto cuesta?
¿Es unisex?
Sí.
Papi, what water did you get?
Chata.
Oh, chata. Are you having fun?
Yes.
We ended up getting these cacahuates. I don't know what they're called. If anyone knows the name, they are so good, but I don't know what they're called. And they had them pelados or they had them like sin pelar. I got them pelados because, you know, less mess. But we are leaving now. We came a little late, so ya estaban cerrando, ya estaban recogiendo las cosas.
No, we came in time. What are you talking about?
Sometimes we come earlier. It was pretty cool. It was fun. It was like a, nos distraímos un ratito, you know, for a Sunday. But I didn't find my acne medication, so maybe we can go around here to find a farmacia mexicana really quick. Porque se ocupa esa medicina. That's the one reason why we came, según, but no había. We looked like everywhere y no había. Sometimes they do have like a señora that sells stuff y esta vez no. Guys, Sergio got off to the store. Got the medicine, guys. The medicine, this is it. If you guys want a screenshot, ¿cuánto costó?
55.
No, liar. $5, huh?
No.
¿Cuánto?
25.
So it was 25, but compared to ¿cuánto me salió la otra vez at the pharmacy? At the,
It was the same one?
yeah.
Hey, ponte cinturón, Lancho.
The CVS, the one at CVS from our doctors que nos recomienda, salió a, I think, 80 something?
Yeah, 80 bucks.
80 bucks. So if you guys are trying to get rid of your acne, try this at a farmacia mexicana. Just you guys
You have to mix it, no?
yeah, you have to mix it with benzoyl peroxide for it to have the effect. But the benzoyl peroxide is like $5. They sell the benzoyl peroxide for like $5 at Target or CVS or any place. And you just mix it together and then that'll make the solution work. Venimos a las Kohl's because Sergio wanted to buy Joshua some clothes.
Hello,
But
guys.
I'm actually looking for some stuff. We do have like a vacation coming up and I want like long sleeves. So I came to the men's section.
We
Okay.
are in Old Navy.
No, we're in Kohl's, puppy. You forgot. Oh, look at this would be cute, huh? To top off the bikini. Hey, be careful, Nathan. Something like this would be cute too, huh? Then I could wear it like with a bikini on the bottom. That would be so cute, right? Pero ya se acabó el frío, ¿no? O para next year. Me ocupo some glasses. Alright guys, so I think that's gonna be it for this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. And please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!